Hello, hey, let's get a party started. Anyways, I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm actually not dancing. So today, I don't know. Today, I actually want to try this. I don't know if you know this thing called washing and setting. If you're Nigerian, I'm very sure like you've heard of it. Like you, then when I used to retouch my hair, I love doing this washing and setting. Like I would set my hair, and like the curls and all. So I'm thinking this should come out the same way my washing and setting was coming out those days. So today, what I would just need for this is actually the Perm rod, comb, and like the tangling brush. Then this got to be mousse. I just really want to see how this is. So this is my hair. I think I should come closer so you guys can see. This is my hair actually, and I'm just gonna be starting from the back because let's just see. So I actually sectioned my hair because I think I'll be able to walk like that when my hair is very sectioned. I'm gonna just pack my hair in a bun and start this. So for now, I actually just loosen that, and then I comb my hair. I always make sure that my hair is well contouring of things like this because I'm gonna take it like little by little. But first off, after combing through, looks like ice cream. This is too much actually. This is actually too much, right? This is too much. This is actually too much. Like what was I thinking? Did you see that? It was too much, but then I crimp them together, then I take a little section and I'll crimp them. I don't know. The ones that fell out. I'm just gonna take one of this. And then bring it, twist it up. I really don't know how to explain this, but I promise. I'll be making. I'll make sure you guys can see. I come through. Then I twist and twist up. So this is the first one. Let's see how everything is gonna be going. I'm really excited about this, and I can't wait to like finish it up. This is the last one, and I bet you after you finish doing this thing, the way your hands making you just want to sleep. I don't know how you're gonna sleep with this. Anyways, see, I just try pulling. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I found another one. I'm just going to twist around and twist upward. Yeah. Finish. Oh my. Hey. Let's see how this thing's gonna come out. So I'm just going to wait. No, can't wait for you to see the result. Myself, I can't wait to see the results. Like popping. Are you kidding me? So I just really can't wait. So I don't know if you guys can see the back. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but all right, let's wait. I will get back to this. So I just got back, and it's currently 9:50. I think, yes, 21:50. So there is no way, absolutely no way I'm gonna sleep with the perm rods on my head. Like, never. I can't. I can't do this. Like, I don't know how people do this. Like, you sleep with this? Never. I can't. So I'll just go ahead and remove the first perm rod. Like, I hope this thing comes out right. Oh my goodness. Like, can you see that? Hey, the cause is going popping. Like, I'm so excited. Wow. Like, I've been missing. Like, I've really been missing. So, the thing is that they are not 100% dried because some of them were a little bit damp, but I just can't sleep with them, so I just have to remove them. I just went on and removed all the perm rods. So I have to remove all the perm rods. Like, there's no way I'll be able to style this tonight because, of course, I'm not going anywhere. It's really if I just want to deceive myself. I'm just going to put this pin and going to wear my bonnet and just go to bed. But, like, I love the colors. I think this would be my go-to style. Like, I would always just, like, if you see me, this would be the style I'll be rocking. man, I feel this hairstyle is really so nice. Like, I'm in love right now. Like, I'm feeling myself. Like, this is like the style that, like, when you get the right style, this is the dance you dance when you get the right. Give them. Yes. Like, I love this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment. I love you guys. Bye.